Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa's coming from a place called Johor Bahru. And in Johor Bahru, there's one very famous dish called Yu Tou Lu. Literally translate into fish head hot pot. All right, so it's basically a hot pot with some fish and yam. Something not Appa's favorite, but my family, my wife and my mother-in-law actually love it. Okay, so it is, let me quickly show you how to prepare this dish. Not difficult, but quite a bit of preparation work. Now here you are looking at two kinds of fish here. Actually it's one kind, but treated differently. I'm using fish head, barramundi fish. You can use grouper or any white meat fish, yeah. Then this is actually the meat portion, which I did not fry it, yeah. I only marinate with a little bit of salt. And here is actually the bony parts, where I actually marinate with a little bit of salt and deep fry it for about 4 or 5 minutes. And I also deep fry some yam. For yam, you can choose to whether deep fry or just put the raw yam inside, yeah. Both also can, up to you. You will normally see two kinds of veggie inside this hot pot. You have some Chinese cabbage and some seaweeds, yeah, Chinese seaweeds, 紫菜. And we will need few pieces of ginger, some spring onion, and also fresh coriander roots. And here we have some spring onion, the green portion, and some fresh corianders. Take a guess what's inside this pot. It's actually chicken stock. I cook about 1 to 2 liters of chicken stock using chicken feet. Now, if you want to make use of a big amount of stock, using my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder is seriously not good enough. It doesn't give you the full body of it, or for the soup itself. You need to really boil the soup. So I actually pressure cook the chicken feet for about 1 hour. All right, this is one pot of the chicken stock, yeah, made out of the chicken feet. By the way, if you want to cook chicken stock using chicken feet, you do need to blanch your chicken feet first before you pressure cook it, okay? So this is already very flavorful. Oh, you want to put 1 to 2 pieces of ginger inside also. This is already very flavorful, very nice, very fragrant. So this dish is not difficult. Prepare the hot pot, put everything in. And ginger, spring onion, and also fresh coriander roots. The taro, yeah. My wife's favorite. I don't eat it. Yeah, that's the yam. You can put it either fry or without frying. Both also can. And then this is the fish head, which I actually deep fry. I also have the meat part where I did not deep fry. So I will have 2 different kinds of texture for my fish. I will put the fish a bit later. Now I'm going to put in the veggie, especially the white portion of the Chinese cabbage. This will make it even more sweeter. So you want to let this cook for about 15 minutes first before we continue. Everything in, all the veggie in, I say. Not the seaweed, yeah. Seaweed you only put right before serving. If you find the stock not enough, we can actually add a bit more stock. I'm trying to keep some stock for my, actually this stock you can use for many things. I may use it to cook fish curry tomorrow. Let me think about it first. While making it simmering, we can actually give some preliminary seasoning first. Some fine salt. Now when I put in my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, it will be 锦上添花. Optional for those who have it, just put it in. You can put in some big chili if you like. And there's no suan cai, there's no suan cai in this particular dish. Ooh, if you have premium Vietnamese fish sauce. Give it some fish sauce. I'm going to put in something optional. This is few pieces of rock sugar. Usually in the restaurant, they will cook the taro a little bit longer until it is almost melted. So then they will serve it in a hot pot, and then the taro, when it keep on cooking, the taro will continue melting. The soup will actually become thicker and thicker. Now personally, I don't like very thick soup. I prefer watery version. So anyway, this is a personal preference. Yeah, no right or wrong. Now, whenever you want to make a large amount of chicken stock to store at home, if you given me, I will choose between either the chicken feet or using the scallop, the structure, yeah, the caskets, yeah, caskets of the chicken itself. This two is cheaper, but yet it can come out very flavorful. Just to make sure you go and blanch it, yeah, before you cook it, to remove the gaminess. This is cooking after about 10 minutes. I'm going to put in the fish. This is the meat portion. Like I said, you can use any meat that you have. Basically, they use white meat more often. Let me see the taro, is it? Oh, softened very fast because I already deep fry it first. Once you deep fry your taro, it will actually get softened very fast in the soup. Right, basically once the fish is cooked, it's almost done. Now we just have to adjust to taste now, but of course we still have some Chinese seaweeds, yeah, to put on top, and some fresh coriander. And some spring onion. A few dashes of white pepper. Done. That's how simple it is to make and prepare the fish head hot pot at home. And let me tell you, this is soup. The soup itself, you'll be drinking non-stop. First of all, because it's made out of chicken stock fully. Other than that, you have added in the fried fish, yeah, and also the fish, the fresh fish, and not forgetting the Chinese cabbage, and also the seaweed, yeah. The seaweed will also release some umami flavor, and not forgetting my chicken stock, yeah, my chicken stock powder. And what else do we have? The taro. The taro will give it some enhanced nature sweetness. Alright, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Up Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Up YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.